So if you're watching my videos, you must know by now that I'm loving peppermint tea. And I've got this problem. Well, I haven't. A lot of us have got this problem. I was drinking peppermint tea from IKEA, which was fabulous tea. And I've complained to them and tried to get them to sort it out. Anyhow, this tea was from one of my students, which is a peppermint and something tea. And I've had to send for some myself. This is from Bird and Blend. I have no association with them and I'm not paid by them. Bird and Blend tea, and I think that's the same one in there, which is great. They send me a load of bump and a handwritten note saying thank you. A couple of complimentary teas. These are weird as well. Look at that. Liqueur-licious licorice tea. Well, that sounds amazing. And this one's called the digester. Composting, so that's sort of appropriate to me. And little notes about the teas, which is great. This is what I'm after. This is Peppy Mint, and hopefully the one that Mark and his wife bought me is the Peppy Mint. I'm going to tell you, that cost £8. So it had better be blooming good. It had better be the same one and not something I dislike. And I need to find a way of reducing that. £3.50 of that is postage. Even on slow post, that was the cheapest I could get it. So I need to do something. Yeah, I'm just going to compare that to that. Let's see what it's like. Right, I've opened it. It is the right one. The smell is, I mean, it's called Peppy Mint. It really is off the scale peppermint. And see the little blue flowers. I mean, I've had this a little while, so they're not looking as blue now. But the smell is absolutely fantastic. So, blue cornflowers, that's it. Peppermint, 50ml pouch. Right, I need more of this. If anybody wants to help me out and buy me some Peppy Mint and send it to me, that'd be great. It'll save me buying some. £8. Oh, honestly, that is gorgeous. So yeah, finish that up and then I can put some of that in there. I think I'm going to leave it. Mind you, this is a sealed container, so it should be all right. Those flowers in there are a lot more fresh than those. Oh well, I've got some. It's a backup. So sorry IKEA, you're out now, and Bird and Blend, your tea is the winner. It's flipping gorgeous. Oh, just can't get enough of it. Peppermint tea, it's the way forward. Right, let's get back on with this job. I've also got to give credit to Bird and Blend. Their box, look, has got these extra creases. And I've just worked it out. The reason it's got extra creases is if you have the big box, they've got two choices of box, look. They can fold it over here, fold that over there. Look at that. So now they've doubled the size out of box with one box. Isn't that clever? Somebody's thought about that. Good design. Well done, Bird and Blend. There you go, that's where they are. Unit 3, Woods Way, Worthing. That's if you have to return it. Anyhow, Bird and Blend, tea's fantastic. And the box is great. Well done.